Hello students, how are you? My name is Sudhir JAISWAL and I'm going to teach you today the inverse trigonometric function. Here we have sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, sec inverse and cosec inverse. The domain and the range. Domain and range are given. You need to learn all this. For example, the sine inverse the function which has domain -1 and 1 and codomain is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So let's understand with an example here. If I give you a question, solve cos inverse root 3 by 2. So if you want to solve this question, so you need to know that the root 3 by 2 come from the domain or codomain. You need to learn this. So root 3 by 2 is the value of x. So it come from the domain here, and the y is the answer. It will come from the codomain, or you can say the range. Okay, so you didn't get this. So if you want to get this, so you need to learn the domain and codomain. The cos inverse is the function. Its domain is -1 and 1. Okay, it is from 0 to pi is a range. Now the value of domain root 3 by 2 come from the domain, and the y is the answer of cos inverse root 3 by 2. It come from the range 0 pi. That means whatever value you take it from here, root 3 by 2. So now you need to write here cos inverse of, okay, what can you write? Root 3 by 2. The value of root 3 by 2 is cos 60 or 30. So here you can write here cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 30 can be written as pi by 6. So the answer would be here pi by 6. You say why it is pi by 6? Since the pi by 6, which is the answer, belongs to here 0 to pi, and pi by 6 comes in between 0 and pi. So this is the answer. Now move to the second question. The second question is find the value of cos inverse -1 by 2. Suppose it is cos inverse -1 by 2. Again, you need to know the value of the range and codomain and domain and range. Domain is -1 and 1, and range is 0 to pi. So whatever value you take of x means cos inverse x equal to, suppose it is y. Okay, so whatever value you take it from the domain, and whatever answer you get it from the range. Okay, here. So cos inverse -1 by 2 can be written as cos inverse of minus, what is the value of -1 by 2? 1 by 2, not -1 by 2. 1 by 2 is cos it is 60. It is pi by 3. So can we move minus inside? No, we cannot, because cos of minus theta is minus, it is a positive cos theta, so we cannot move inside it. So now we have to think that where is cos negative. In second quadrant cos is negative, so you can write it like this: pi minus pi by 3. That means cos pi minus theta, it will be minus cos theta. So cos inverse of cos theta. Now is cos inverse and cos can be eliminated as this. What is the answer? 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. This 2 pi by 3 belongs to where? 2 pi by 3 belongs to here, from the range. Okay, this is called principal value range actually. So this cos inverse and cos can be eliminated. Now 2 pi by 3 is the answer. You need to consider. That's why you have to learn this, because you cannot write the answer as minus pi by 3 here. Okay, you could have done this mistake like this. Like some students do this mistake. They write like this, minus pi by 3. This cannot be the answer, because cos of minus theta is positive cos theta, and minus pi by 3 does not belong to the range. So this will not be the answer of this question. So we'll do the same way that I have explained you. Okay, move to the next question. The codomain, the domain and range are very important here. So move to the next. The third question is sine inverse cos of sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2. My God. Okay, this is the question. So now again you need to consider the domain, the inverse sine inverse of, okay, right here minus at the place of root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So you can write here sine 60 is pi by 3. All right. Now can we what, move this minus inside? Yes, we can. Sine of minus pi by 3, because sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. All right. Okay. So sine inverse of cos of, now this sine inverse and sine can be cancelled or eliminated, as you know that minus pi by 3 belongs to where? From minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here you can say this is the range of sine inverse. So minus pi by 3 belongs to here minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this can be eliminated and you can write here minus pi by 3. And you need to write the reason here as minus pi by 3 belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That's why you have eliminated this. So sine inverse, now cos of minus theta is minus cos theta or positive cos theta? It is positive cos theta, cos of pi by 3. And cos 60, what is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So here you can write 1 by 2. What is sine inverse 1 by 2? Now again sine inverse, what is 1 by 2? The value of 1 by 2 is sine 30. So sine 30 can be written as pi by 6. So again pi by 6 belongs to, you can write answer pi by 6 as pi by 6 belongs to here minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, because it is the range of sine inverse here. Okay. Now you can solve it. The answer is here pi by 6. All right. Now next, move to the next question here. Next question is sine inverse of sine minus 600. Can we do this question? Okay. So here we have sine inverse of sine. So it is in degree. So convert first it into radian. So we can do this like sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So you can do like this, minus sine 600 degree. So convert it into radian first. So it would be sine of 600 into pi upon 180. Okay. So it would be converted into radian. So 6 10 is 60 and 6 is 18. So you can write it as sine inverse minus sine 10 pi by 3. Sine inverse 10 pi by 3. All right. Further can be written as because if you move this sign, there will not be any value, I think, because 10 pi by 3 does not belong to minus pi by 3 to pi by 3. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is the range of sine inverse. So we cannot do this. So we can further write it as 3 3 the 9, 3 pi plus pi by 3 like this. Okay. So it would be, I think, if you, so this is pi, 2 pi and then 3 pi and 3 pi plus, so it is in third quadrant. Third quadrant the sign is negative. So what would you do here? You can write here minus of sine 3 pi plus theta is minus sine theta, and minus is already here, so minus plus sine theta is pi by 3. Sine inverse of sine pi by 3 can be now eliminated. The answer would be pi by 3. Why? Because pi by 3 belongs to, as you can write as pi by 3 belongs to the range which is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That's why you have eliminated this and you got the answer pi by 3. Let's move to the next question. So you need to learn all the domain and range here if you need to solve this question. Okay, so where the question is related to this or not. Okay, so you can do one question more, 5 or 6, I don't know the number. Okay, question here. Okay, thank you very much here.